Being able to work on the computer without wearing my reading glasses, and just getting up in the morning and being able to see the clock or check my cell phone for messages. Yeah, it's great not having to worry about where those glasses are. Hi, I'm Debbie from Lake St. Louis, Missouri, and I had my refractive lens exchange eye correction surgery in St. Louis at Brinton Vision. I wore reading glasses since middle school, and a few years ago I wore a contact lens for the close-up vision, but stopped wearing the contact lens because of the expense and the hassle of dealing with contact lenses. I continued to deal with the reading glasses. I heard about Brinton Vision from a local radio station, and also my husband encouraged me to make an appointment. I think he was tired of searching for my reading glasses. So I made an appointment, and after an extensive ophthalmic analysis, Dr. Brinton suggested that I would be a candidate for a refractive lens exchange. In the past, I had success with wearing one contact lens for close-up, and the other lens, or my other eye, was for distance. And I had success with that, so I ended up doing the RLE. The procedure was performed 1 month ago, and I'm very satisfied with the results. I was also very impressed and satisfied with the customer service. The office is clean and beautiful. The staff are professional and experienced. Pre-operative and post-operative instructions were written and easy to understand. My visits never seemed rushed. I always felt they had time for me and for my questions. I'm a registered nurse with extensive operating room experience. During my procedure, I didn't feel any discomfort, but was able to be aware of my surroundings. Maybe perhaps because I knew what was involved with the procedure, I was aware of the required timeout participation, which is when a patient's name is mentioned, the correct eye is announced, the correct lens is announced, and the entire staff confirms that the procedure is ready. So they were very professional, and again, I was aware of my surroundings, so I really knew what to expect in the operating room and what should be done in the operating room. Leah took a lot of time with me, and then Dr. Brinton, he also spent a lot of time with my questions and going over the anatomy of the eye. Everything was so easy to understand. The decision was made by Dr. Brinton. It was very easy, probably because of having had worn the contact lenses several years ago. The monovision was the way to go because that was successful at that time. Dr. Trissini was very professional. He's the one who ended up doing my procedure. Dr. Brinton did my consultation, but Dr. Trissini did my procedure. And he and Dr. Brinton both have similar personalities. Again, my surgery was very successful, and I owe that to Dr. Brinton and Dr. Trissini. So I'm a very satisfied patient, and I highly recommend Brinton Vision. Thank you.